All right, guys, so yes, when the battery gets low, it starts blinking, and that means get home. All right, guys, so this is the lighting effect. It's really cool. All right, guys, so we're back. We got the battery charged more to see if it has that weird dropping. So now that we've charged the battery up more, it seems to be actually steadily holding itself. So it's not like having weird issues. So here we go. So full force going forward and back. It can do flips by pressing the joystick. Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing with Scott. So today we are reviewing a DEERC. This is their D23 remote control drone. So I'm pretty excited to test this out. Let's see if there's, it says for ages 14 and older. Huh, must be a pretty interesting drone. So let's go ahead and see what's inside the box. As always, you guys know that we come unscripted, we come fully honest, and that's how the world should be. So guys, inside the box, we got a Phillips screwdriver, we got extra propellers, we have a charging cable, and it looks like it's a dual charging cable. So one USB port charges 2 batteries, so there must be 2 batteries inside here. So let's go ahead, we'll probably pull that out so we can charge stuff up a while. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. It's a nice looking. Ooh, that's a nice look. That is lightweight. Already I can tell this thing's probably pretty fast how light it is. I mean, this thing is so cool looking. You got these red, white, no, it's red, gray, or silver, and blue stripes with a white body. That's pretty awesome. And then the wings are blue and white. So these are the little batteries. Oh, pretty interesting so far. These batteries, they're small, but they feel heavy. They feel really heavy duty. Interesting. So we're gonna go ahead. Now it's just USB charged, and for the batteries, you just simply plug it in to the port. So make sure we got it plugged in right. You want to plug it in the right side. And while we complete our review, we are going to then test out this drone, because you guys know I love to test drones out. So let's charge this up a while here. Red light's on the USB while it's charging. Let's go ahead and see here. So this is the remote control. You got video. Wait. Hold up. Did I miss the camera? I missed the camera. You guys can actually do video recording on this. I wasn't sure. Wow, that's actually pretty awesome. I don't see an SD slot. So you might use your cell phone to record the video footage. Very interesting. You got your on and off switch right here. Photo, video, you got your controls, you got, looks like maybe auto landing or auto lift, and it looks like there's a light mode on here as well. Oh yeah, look at that. So, spot for your cell phone. Let's see. We'll have to play with this and see how this gets mounted on here. But let's go ahead and add some batteries. It doesn't look like they provide you with remote batteries. So I'm guessing it's probably AAA. We'll find out. All right, guys, so it is 3 AAA batteries. They do not provide the batteries, but so make sure you got 3 AAA batteries ahead of time. We always come prepared. So we got our batteries. Okay, so we now know it works. We're going to be flying it without our cell phone, just to complete our video. And okay, so that makes sense. So this little piece here actually pops out, and then you stick your phone down inside like this. So this piece goes down inside, and then you can put your phone up here and use your phone. It is a semi-windy day, so that's why I'm not going to use our cell phone with it. When it's windy, I like to actually physically look at the drone while flying. So let's go ahead and drop a battery inside here. See how simple this is. So just pops right in place. Very nice. Let's see. All right, guys, so underneath here, press and hold the power button. It's gonna light up then. We got this cool effect. I mean, I don't know if you guys can see how awesome this is, but that's pretty nice. So we're gonna go ahead and turn this off. All right. Oh, whoops. I wasn't prepared for that. All right, so once you got it synced up by pressing the remote's controls up and down, you then have this fly takeoff button. You got different light modes as well. So I'll show you guys in the dark, the light modes, and you can have all the lights completely off. So let's go ahead, fly this drone, show you guys how it flies, and show you guys the lighting effects. So guys, it does have auto hover mode. Whoa, I don't know what just happened, but all of a sudden it just took a nosedive without even pressing any buttons. So hold on. All right, guys, so this is the lighting effect. It's really cool. Definitely be cool at nighttime. And then you have these different modes. Pretty awesome, if I do say so myself. So yeah, we need to go and test this out because I'm excited. So guys, I think it took a nosedive because the battery's almost dead. So we're gonna go ahead and make sure it's fully charged. All right guys, so we're back. We got the battery charged more to see if it has that weird dropping. So now that we've charged the battery up more, it seems to be actually steadily holding itself. So it's not like having weird issues. So here we go. So full force going forward and back. It can do flips by pressing the joystick. So we get close enough. So what's nice about this one is all the blades are protected. So as you guys can see, they're very protected. And ever since we put the new battery in, we're not having weird fluctuations in the speed. So it's definitely doing really well. All right, we're gonna take off in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, let's up this here. All right, so it is windy. It's actually pulling the drone. We're gonna come down lower. It's too windy to go high for today. Yeah, so because this is so lightweight, on a windy day it actually wants to pull the drone. So if we go too high, like over there I was holding completely to the right and it was pulling us about even against the blade. So if it was really windy, it would have just kept taking it to the left. So keep in mind, with it being such a lightweight drone, it's going to be controlled a little harder. So only fly this when it's light breeze. But overall, since we did the battery, it is definitely flying better. So we actually, seems like it, okay, so I got it. You guys can actually unlock different modes here by pressing the center joystick. If you press the center joystick, oh no, what's it doing? It's acting up again. So by pressing the left joystick in, you unlock these different modes. So this mode, we barely can move left or right. This mode unlocks us more speed. Press it a second time and you unlock a little more speed. Press it again and you really unlock. Okay, so if you're under number 3 by pressing, again guys, let me show you. Here, let's change this up. So press this in. If you press this in, you unlock 3 different modes. So pressing it in once unlocks a slow mode. That's definitely beginner. This would be medium. Pressing it in again right here, this, you just press this in and press that in again, and then it unlocks a faster, more maneuverable. As you guys can see, probably I'm able to maneuver this better, which that's going to work better against stronger winds. So as you guys can see, we got speed now, and we can go and fly with some good speed. So we definitely unlocked a better mode here. This mode is definitely for us. Oh, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down. All right guys, so yes, when the battery gets low, it starts blinking, and that means get home. It's hard to see in the daylight, but once, if it starts acting weird, like for example, if it starts dipping and you're not dipping, that you know the battery's getting low, so bring it back home. So that was the issue from the first time, but overall guys, you know, it's a lot of fun. Absolutely love this. Absolutely love it. It's a lot of fun, especially when you unlock, when you're in the 3rd mode. That's really fun for people, but for, you know, beginners that are just learning, it's actually a really nice beginner drone. Very nice. At first I wasn't sure, I was unsure about it, but after testing it and playing with it, yeah, I'm happy with it. And plus it's protected wings. The blades, that makes it really good for beginner and amateurs. Really, really good.